Did you hear the news? The closure of Monsters, Inc. Mike and Sulley to the Rescue has officially been delayed, and Disney fans finally have some good news. For a while, many people believed this beloved attraction at Disney California Adventure Park would be closing very soon due to park redevelopment plans. But now, Disney has changed the timeline. The ride is expected to stay open through 2026, and the possible closure has been pushed back to 2027 or later. So yes, we still have time. Why was the closure delayed? Disney is currently working on major expansion projects and new themed lands. Because construction schedules shifted, the removal of existing attractions was also pushed back. That means we get to enjoy Mike and Sulley's adventure a little longer. But here's the important part. Let's be clear, the ride is not being permanently saved. The closure plan is not canceled, it's simply been postponed. So eventually this attraction will likely disappear, and that makes now the perfect time to experience it. While you should ride it now, it's still open, wait times are manageable, it may not be around much longer, it could soon become Disney history. If you're planning a Disneyland trip, this might be your chance to ride it before it's gone.
We are at the scene, number one. Hang on, unit. Get position right now and lock it down. There's nothing down here.
Hey, working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done for poop?
Race you to the scare floor.
She'll never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. You'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
What do you think about the delayed closure? Should Disney keep the ride, or are you excited about new attractions coming? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Disney updates.